Have you ever felt stuck in an argument, like no matter what you say, things just aren't getting any better? The frustration builds, and it feels like there's no way out. But here's the truth: every conflict brings an opportunity to repair. Hi, I'm Chip, and today I want to talk about the power of listening to heal relationships. Because a relationship is only as strong as its ability to repair after moments of hurt or disappointment. Repair isn't about avoiding conflict, it's about learning how to reconnect when things go wrong. When someone feels unheard or misunderstood, it creates a disconnect. They're left sitting in their hurt and it can feel isolating, even in the closest relationships. But when you listen, truly listen, you're saying to them, "You're not alone in this. I'm here and I want to understand." I love the way Carl Rogers, a groundbreaking psychologist, explained it. When you are in psychological distress and someone really hears you without passing judgment on you, without trying to take responsibility for you, without trying to mold you, it feels so good. Rogers emphasized when we have been listened to, only then can we re perceive our world in a way so that we can eventually move forward. Listening doesn't just help the other person, it helps the relationship move forward. Let's take an example. Say your partner is upset because you were late. They start with what relationship expert Dr. John Gottman calls a harsh startup. "I guess you decided to show up eventually. I wish we mattered enough for you to be on time." Your first instinct might be defensiveness. You might want to snap back with, "I tried my best. I got held up. Cut me some slack." That's the reactive cycle we all know too well. But let's slow it down and try something different. First, take it slow. Pause. Take a breath. Notice how your body feels. Are your shoulders tense? Relax them. By calming yourself, you're creating the space to respond instead of react. Then listen to echo. Reflect back what you heard in your own words. "It really mattered to you that I was here on time, and it disappointed you when I wasn't." That simple reflection tells your person, "I hear you. Your feelings matter to me." Finally, seek to know. Ask questions that show curiosity and care. You might say, "When I was late, it made you feel like my work mattered more than you. Can you tell me more about how that felt for you?" This may feel counterintuitive at first. You might think, "Won't this make things worse? Aren't I just dragging out the pain?" But the opposite is actually true. When you take the time to really listen, you're helping the other person feel seen and understood. That's what allows the hurt to soften and connection to strengthen. Here's something I've noticed in my own life. When I slow down, listen, and get curious, it doesn't just help the other person, it helps me too. When I reflect back what they're saying, I start to see them not as a threat, but as someone who's trying to connect with me. It shifts my perspective. Instead of thinking, "They're attacking me," I can see that they're hurt and they're reaching out. This shift changes the dynamic of the conversation. It moves us from being adversaries to being partners, working together to understand and repair. The beauty of repair isn't about being perfect or never making mistakes. We're all human and we all mess up. What matters is how we respond when things go wrong. Every time you choose to repair by listening, reflecting, and seeking to understand, you're building trust, intimacy, and resilience in your relationship. You're sending a powerful message. This relationship matters to me, and I'm willing to put the effort in to make it better. And here's the best part: repair doesn't just heal the moment, it strengthens the foundation of your relationship for the future. So here's my challenge for you: think of one person you can practice this with. It might be a spouse, a friend, or a colleague. The next time there's tension or conflict, try these steps. Take it slow, listen to echo, and seek to know. Notice how it impacts the conversation and your connection. And remember, relationships aren't defined by how often we avoid conflict, they're defined by how well we repair. Listening isn't just a skill, it's a gift. When you give someone the gift of feeling heard, you're not just repairing the relationship, you're building something stronger and more meaningful. Until next time, I'm rooting for you.